Hi, this is Christina Hoffmeyer with the RE/MAX Select Realty's Christina Hoffmeyer team. And a lot of you asked for it, so we're giving it to you. This is part 2 of the Brighton Road renovation. If you missed part 1, this home is coming to the market very soon, and we're super excited to share it with all of you. So meanwhile, while we're going through the renovation process, we'll be sharing these quick update videos so that you can see all of the hard work and dedication that goes into the homes that are brought to the market for all of you.
As promised, here's that vaulted ceiling. It turned out beautiful, and look at all of these cabinets. There's even more here. The amount of storage space in this kitchen is second to none, and the granite countertops that they're installing are just going to make this home. The bedroom renovation is just about done on the main floor. We've got beautiful carpeting in there. The walls are all a light gray with that bright white trim. And as we make our way up to the second floor here, you will see that little closet that just used to be a random little closet is now a powder room for the second floor bedrooms. And even though it's small, it has turned out just so lovely. I love the floor plan in this home, how unique it is. You've got 2 private bedroom spaces up here. The uniqueness of the doorways and some of the build-ins in these rooms is second to none, guys. You are going to love the finished product of this house. All right, that wraps up our tour for Brighton Road, and make sure that you come back to see the finished project in just a few short weeks. This home is going to be hitting the market. It's in Riverside School District, and you don't want to miss it.